Good afternoon. My name is Howard Rothschild. I am the president of the Realty Advisory Board on Labor Relations. Last night, my wife asked me to take her out to an expensive place. So we went to a gas station. Although filling up with gas used to be a thoughtless task, today most Americans feel the pinch regarding the high cost of fuel. As an employer representative for the real estate industry, I can tell you that owners and operators of buildings are cognizant of and sensitive to the high cost of energy, the high cost of water, and the need to reduce waste and costs of operation. Research has shown that by using current technology, buildings can reduce costs without making any major capital improvements. The Green Buildings course focuses on building science and envelope, lighting, electricity, plug loads, HVAC strategies, indoor environmental quality, water conservation, and tracking energy use. Over time, we will be able to achieve and calculate quantifiable savings of limited natural resources. By going green, owners can not only help the environment, but also their bottom line. Many RAB employers have encouraged their employees to participate in the 1000 Green Superintendent's course and are recognized in today's program. Please read through this. There was a lot of time and effort on the part of employers, many of whom are in the building. I know Mike had mentioned Jim O'Connor earlier from Douglas Elliman. John Sickery is here from Brown Harris. There are representatives from Penmark. I'm sure I'm leaving a lot of people out. Big employers, small employers, down to individual housing cooperatives, like I saw Frank Markowitz from Queensview in Long Island City. And this is a great start. As Mike said, we've graduated the first 1,000 superintendents, but we're not done. We have another 1,000 to go. On board, there are many more managing agents in this room, which will train more superintendents and resident managers in the upcoming months. I'll let you all in on a little secret. Not all superintendents and resident managers were eager at first to attend a program that required them to leave their buildings for long periods of time. However, after encouragement from management, employees saw the light, and once in the program, the students were hooked. It should be noted as well that many employers allowed their employees to take paid time off in order to attend the program. Educating the workforce of superintendents and resident managers allows important information learned in the program to be passed on to building management, building employees, and building residents. Employers view this knowledge as a great asset, which adds value to their operations. When building a new structure, the most up-to-date techniques can be used in the design and construction process. But how do we, in the New York City real estate industry, maintain the highest standards with an aging housing stock? Before recommissioning or retrofitting a facility, we need to train the employees who run these buildings in the latest techniques to efficiently use resources and to reduce waste and to improve the overall environment of buildings. This has many benefits. It improves the living environment for the residents, it improves the working environment for the building service workers, and it reduces the carbon footprint of the building. The superintendent and resident manager are most familiar with the facility. The resources from training them provide a breadth and depth of knowledge needed to take a 19th or 20th century building and bring it into the 21st century. The Thomas Shortman Fund, and specifically the 1000 Green Superintendents Program, is a great success in combining the talent and resources. The federal government, as Mike said earlier, has provided $2.8 million of grant money, and for that, I thank the Secretary of Energy. This union and these employers have created a learning mechanism that has allowed superintendents and resident managers to enhance their knowledge and to provide economic, social, and political benefits to those around them. This program is just the beginning of a partnership which will enable the industry to comply with a new era of green building laws and to meet growing pressures to be more efficient in the face of rising utility costs and growing concerns about our environment. This program is clearly a win-win situation and a great example of what can happen when management and labor work together towards mutually beneficial goals. All involved should be applauded. Please give yourself a hand.